I'm really amazed and supportive of the family. I've been the first day when they were in Osmani hospital. I've been there. I've seen the situation, and since then, the hospital authority, like doctors, and they're doing their utmost best to to revive the family. The mother is recovered already, thank God, and him and his son sadly passed away last week, and yesterday night, this morning, his only daughter, passed away. I don't know what's happening. The investigation authority should be more careful and more upbeat with that their investigation. It's nearly 10 days and nothing has happened yet. No clue is found, so it's not really, people are watching from all over the world, especially I'm a Cardiff councillor, and the family is from Cardiff and is a really good friend of mine. We played together as well, sometimes badminton, so, I would ask the law abiding people, and as well as the investigation officers, please go forward and find the real story behind why they were suffocated and why they were killed and murdered like this. So and obviously do it ASAP, please. I think it's an obligation as a British citizen, and I'm here physically, so I would request again and again all the authorities, whoever is involved, like district commissioner as well as the SP in Sylhet, division for Izuddin, who is the inspector, who is doing all that investigation. Urge him, please, and all that please do something so the family can be peaceful.